They're doing siren tests. It's 11 o'clock. I hope I didn't miss it. Come on. Darn you, lock. Yep, you can hear it. Look at that. Green touch came. I'm gonna have to do a snow blowing with the blower this time. Well, how about that? New Year tornado siren test. I had to literally run up. I've been up, but it's so bloody cold outside that I figured I was just chilling. Oh my god. Look at that. My neighbor's dog has been in my yard again, tracking up all the snow. Oh well. I asked him nicely to keep him out because he always craps in our yard. But I don't care. They're my neighbors. What are you gonna do? Love that neighbor as myself. I can't stay mad at them because they're so nice. That's the thing. So check it out. New Year tornado siren test. You gotta love it. See, I heard the first round. I thought, oh crap, I missed it, and I couldn't find my iPod. So I ran upstairs, grabbed my camera, and the battery wasn't in it. My battery, I just took out to charge it. So I had to take it, and I was putting it in as I was going downstairs. I almost fell down the stairs, but it was all worth it. You guys got to hear a little bit of it.